Hi students, welcome to Engineering Graphics class, Scales 6, Vernier scale. In Scales 5, we have drawn a Vernier scale which is backward reading or indirect reading or reverse reading. The same question we are going to draw as a forward reading or direct reading Vernier. Same question in Scales 5 drawn as forward reading or direct reading Vernier. The question is, RF is 1 by 25, maximum length to be measured is 4 meters. You are asked to draw a forward reading Vernier and show the same length, 2.47 meters, 0.81 meters and 0.39 meters on it. Agreed? The procedure is identical. You find the length of scale, RF into maximum length, 1 by 25 into 400, 16 centimeters. I draw a rectangular strip, 16 centimeters long and about 1 centimeter wide, and divide it into 4 equal parts, and write meters on the right side, RF at the center and decimeters on the left side. I divide this into 10 equal parts because 10 decimeters make 1 meter. And write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is contrary to the other case. In backward reading Vernier, you write 0 here. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the ordinary manner. Agreed? Then we take the distance corresponding to 9 decimeters and construct a rectangular strip on top of this. What is this? This is the distance corresponding to 9 decimeters. You remember in backward reading Vernier, you have taken this, divided this into 10 equal parts, and then we have taken the length corresponding to 11 decimeters and divided it into 10 equal parts, so that each division is 1.1 decimeters. Here you take 9 decimeters and divide it into 10 equal parts. Here again you have to go for the procedure of dividing it. The distance is not easily divisible, so you have to go for the procedure of dividing this and write what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The length corresponding to 9 decimeters you have divided. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, as we discussed in the previous case, these portions also need to be divided to enable us to show some required distance. Again, this completes the construction of the forward reading Vernier scale. Now you are asked to show 2.47 meters on it. 2.47 meters on it. Now, which multiple of 9? This unit is centimeter, centimeter. Which multiple of 9? Each is 9 centimeter. Each division is 0.9 decimeter equals 9 centimeter. Which multiple of 9 ends in 7? This ends in 7. It's a 3, isn't it? 9 into 3 is 27. So you have already decided to take 3 divisions from here. 1, 2, 3 divisions. Which end with a 7. Agreed? Now 2.47 minus 9 into 3, 27. 2.2. Agreed? This is 0.1. This much is 0.1. So 0.1. Balance 2.1. Where is 2.1? 1, 2, 2.1. 0.27, 0.1, balance 2.1, 1, 2, 2.1. This is 2.47 meters. I hope you understand. 2.47 is equal to 0.27 plus 0.1 plus 2.1, 2.47. So 9 into 3, 27 plus 0.27 plus 0.1, 0.37 plus 2.1, 2.47. Okay. Next distance is 81. Which multiple of 9 ends with a 1? 9 into 9, 81. Agreed? Agreed? 9 into 9, 81, 9 pieces. 81. The third is what? 39. Which multiple of 9 ends with a 9? 1. Zero point 9. No. 0.9 plus 0.1, 1.9. You need 39.2. 0.2. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.39. 0.39. That is how you show the distances. So this completes a forward reading vernier scale. When you compare the backward reading vernier and the forward reading vernier with the same data, looks alike. The only difference is instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And with this level, you mark in that direction. From this level, you mark in that direction. And here, least count equals 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. Whereas, in the case of backward reading vernier, least count is 1 vernier scale division minus 1 main scale division. Here it is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. What is the 1 main scale division? 1 decimeter, isn't it? 1 decimeter. What is vernier scale division? Minus 0.9 decimeter, isn't it? This is 10 decimeter divided into 10 equal parts, so that each division is 1 decimeter. This is 9 decimeter divided into 10 equal parts, so that each division is 0.9 decimeter. The difference is this 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter minus 9 centimeter equals 1 centimeter. That's the least count. Least count of the scale is 1 centimeter. It is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division, whereas in backward reading vernier it is 1 vernier scale division minus 1 main scale division. I hope you understand. So any question can be drawn as a forward reading vernier or as a backward reading vernier. I hope you understand. Okay. Thank you.